Hello everyone. Today let's talk about maintenance-free rear-wheel oil seal. This oil seal is a maintenance-free oil seal and it is a rear-wheel oil seal. It's applicable to Man 11 heavy truck and the size is 116 and 136 and the sink is 6.5. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water and ticking skeleton. It is applicable to mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry. It is a maintenance-free rear-wheel oil seal. It is applicable to Man 11. Welcome everyone to inquire this oil seal.